Datuk. Okay, nice.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to present about the Total Driving Exercise Business Accounting. Before I present about business accounting, I will introduce myself and my friends. My name is Akhirul Nizam, 14 DPR 21 F1002.
My name is Muhammad Akmal Faisal bin Hisham, 14 DPR 21 F1042.
Okay, my name is Amirul Ashraf. My metric number 14 DPR 21 F1032.
Okay, and lastly, my name is Syakir Zufairi bin Samsul Hairi. My metric number 14 DPR 21F1062.
Okay, next slide. Okay, before buka tadi. Sebelah. Soalan. Okay, first we started with the title. The trial balance shown below was extracted from the book of Kedai Aimah on 31 March 270. Kedai Aimah trial balance is at 31 March 2017. Okay, we start with additional information. First, closing inventory was valued at 2,049 as at 31 March 2017. So, closing inventory ni akan dibawa masuk dalam slide. Tak betul. Closing inventory akan dibawa masuk 20,249 di bawah Soci 2 dan Sofi bawah current asset. Yang 4B, owner to office furniture amounting 460 for family use. No record has been made to this transaction. So the trial value is drawing 460 and furniture is 460. Okay, for the C, insurance was paid for 1 year and 30 June 2017. When you look at the trial balance, we saw insurance have a prepaid expensive. So sebanyak 540. So insurance di bawah trial balance akan ditolak sebanyak 540. For D, monthly rental was 500. You can see 500. The amount for the monthly for the year is 6,000. But the question have accrued expenses sebanyak RM15,000. Okay, for E, depreciation for the motor vehicle and fixture and fitting 10% per annum on the reducing balancing method. So you can see the percentage harap 40,000, you can get a 40 for the depreciation of motor vehicle and credit provision for depreciation 4,000. And for depreciation of fixture and fitting 10%, darab 55,000 akan dapat sebanyak 3,300. And the trial balance we can get depreciation of fixture and fitting 3,300 and credit provision for depreciation 3,300 and for the last, provision for doubtful debt is to be adjust to 5% on the debtor. So di sini kita boleh tengok dia cakap provision to be adjust 5% on the debtor. So boleh 5% tu boleh darab dengan 17,800 and you will get for the new deform information 819. So the provision for doubtful debt you akan buat perbandingan akan dapat sebanyak 760 sebagai decrease provision for doubtful debt. So provision for doubtful debt debit is 760 and doubtful debt is 760. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, now trial balance as at 31 March 2017. Sekarang kita akan masukkan di mana SOFI, SOCI 1 atau SOCI 2 dan seterusnya. Bagi yang pertama adalah capital as at 1 April 2016 is SOFI owner equity, manakala furniture SOFI non-current asset, manakala motor vehicle adalah SOFI non-current asset juga. Purchase and sale kita akan letak SOCI 1 and SOCI 2. Provision of double debtor adalah SOCI 2. Stock as at 1 April 2016 is SOCI 2. Debtor and creditor SOFI current asset and SOFI liability. Salary is SOCI 4 dan bank SOCI asset. Cash adalah SOFI current asset. Manakala drawing SOFI owner equity. Rates adalah SOFI 4. Furniture and fitting adalah SOFI non-current asset. Provision for debtors motor vehicle and furniture fit adalah SOCI 4. Bad debtor adalah SOCI 4 juga. Current carriage outward adalah SOCI 4. Insurance adalah SOCI 4. Discount kita akan masukkan di SOCI 2. Return kita akan letak di SOCI 1 dan SOCI 2 seperti di dalam slide. Commission adalah SOCI 3. Promotion adalah SOCI 4. Carriage inward kita akan letak SOCI 2. Dan last sekali ada rental kita akan letak di SOCI 4. Okay, next I pass to Akmal Faisal.
Alright, let's see a statement of comprehensive income for the year ended 31 March 2017 and statement of financial position as at 31 March 2017.
Okay, we'll continue. So this is SOCI Kedai Aima statement of comprehensive income for the year and 31 March 2017. Okay, the first one is sales sebanyak 189,000. Sales returns ada di dalam trial balance, kita mesti tolak sebanyak 520. Discount and loan kita tolak tapi tiada amount dalam trial balance. So kita akan dapat net sales sebanyak 188,480. Seterusnya less cost of goods sold. Opening stock sebanyak 20,530. Purchases 82,100. Purchases return kita akan tolak sebanyak 600 dan discount receive kita akan tolak juga sebanyak 960 dan total net purchase sebanyak 80,540. Seterusnya kita ada add purchases iaitu Courage Inward sebanyak 1,190. So the cost of goods available for sale sebanyak 10,260. So kita akan tolak dengan closing stock sebanyak 22,460 dan kita akan dapat cost of sale sebanyak 79,770. Cost profit sebanyak 108,710. Seterusnya add revenue. Commission received sebanyak 400, full debts sebanyak 760 dan kita totalkan sebanyak 1,160. Less operating expenses. Salary sebanyak 18,000, rate sebanyak 3,780, bad debt sebanyak 270, carriage outward sebanyak 2,510, insurance sebanyak 1,620, rental sebanyak 6,000. Seterusnya depreciation motor vehicle sebanyak 4,000 dan depreciation feature and fitting sebanyak 3,300 dan akhir sekali kita perlu tambahkan promotion sebanyak 450. So total untuk operating expenses ialah 39930 dan kita akan dapat profit sebanyak 69,940. Seterusnya saya akan bagikan kepada Amirul Ashraf.
Okey, seterusnya statement of financial position as at 31 March. Pertama, Sophie non-current asset. Dalamnya kita ada vehicle sebanyak 40,000. Lepas tu kita akan tolakkan dengan accumulated vehicle sebanyak 10,000. So kita dapat net book value for vehicle sebanyak 30,000. Seterusnya feature and fitting. Kita ada 33,000. Kita akan tolak dengan accumulated feature and fitting sebanyak 6,600. So kita akan dapat net book value for feature and fitting sebanyak 26,400. Seterusnya kita ada furniture sebanyak 16560. So kita tambahkan semua ni, kita dapat total of non-current asset sebanyak 72,960. Seterusnya Sophie current asset, kita ada closing stock sebanyak 22,460. Lepas tu kita ada debtor sebanyak 17,800 dan ada provision for doubtful debt sebanyak 890. Kita akan tolakkan dapat 16,910. So kemudian ada bank sebanyak 69,000. Cash kita ada 2,100. Prepaid insurance kita ada 540. So kita tambahkan, kita dapat total of current asset sebanyak 111,040. Jadi ini kita tambah, kita dapat 184,000. Seterusnya Sophie owner equity, kita ada opening capital sebanyak 100,000. Kita akan tambahkan dengan net profit sebanyak 69,940. Kita akan dapat 169,940. Kita akan tolakkan pula dengan drawing sebanyak 1780. So closing capital kita dapat 168,160. Kemudiannya Sophie current liability, kita ada creditor sebanyak 14340. Kita ada accurate rental sebanyak 1,500. Jadi kita tambahkan, kita dapat 15840. Kemudian kita tambahkan closing capital dengan nilai bawah ni, kita dapat 184,000. So jadinya kita akan dapat balance.
So that's all from my group. I hope you guys can gain more knowledge about the financial statement and corporation income for the year and 31 March 2017. Thank you.
Thank you.